And here's a 1985 FJ60, one owner, pretty complete restoration, resealing of everything, mechanically wise, going through the axles, all new brakes, all new paint. This car is affectionately called the golf ball. When it got here, it had so much hail damage, we were able to save all the original metal with very little or no filler. Complete repaint, complete all new seals, lenses, bumpers, bumper caps, gaskets. Everything has been all OE Toyota. Still the stock 2F, the 4-speed, part-time 2-speed transfer case, soft factory axles, all original. This is where it's at, folks. This truck is pretty much as true and original as you can get.